In this lesson, we'll solve problems based on equation. So this equation is given phosphorus P4 plus 5 moles of O2. They react and form 2 moles of P2O5. So this is balance equation. Now the question is what amount of oxygen is required to produce 0.25 moles of P2O5. So first we write the given amount. So 0.25 moles of P2O5. So we write here 0.25 moles of P2O5. And required is what amount of oxygen. So number of moles of oxygen we have to find. So first we write the given amount. Given amount is 0.25 moles of P2O5 times mole ratio. So mole ratio is 5 moles of oxygen, then they produce 2 moles of P2O5. So we have to find moles of oxygen. So if we write on the top moles of oxygen, so 5 moles of oxygen, I'll write with the blue one. So 5 moles of oxygen and number of moles of P2O5 is 2. So 2 moles of P2O5. Whatever is asked, we have to write it at the top, and the other ratio we write here. So this ratio should be same so that they get cancelled. So moles of P2O5 cancel with moles of P2O5. Now we have 0.25 times 5 upon 2. That comes to 0.25 times 5 divided by 2. It comes to 0.25 times 5 divided by 2. So 0.625. So 0.625 moles of oxygen. So this is the answer. The next question. Fe2O3 plus 3CO, they form 3 moles of carbon dioxide and 2 Fe. So this is balance equation, 2 Fe, 2 Fe, 3 carbon, and oxygen 3 plus 3, 6. So 3 times 2, 6. Okay, next, first we write then what is given and what is asked. So given is number of moles of Fe. So 1.4 10 to the power 3 moles of Fe. So we write 1.4 times 10 to the power 3 moles of Fe. And what we have to find? What amount of CO. So number of moles of CO we have to find. So then first we write the given amount, that is 1.4 times 10 to the power 3 times mole ratio. So mole ratio of carbon monoxide and Fe. We have to find carbon monoxide. So we on the top, we write carbon monoxide. So 3 moles of carbon monoxide, 3 mole CO. Then they form 2 moles of Fe. 2 moles Fe. So here we write 1.4 10 to the power 3 moles of Fe. 1.4 times 10 to the power 3 moles of Fe. So moles of Fe cancel. So now we have 1.4 times 10 to the power 3 times 3 upon 2. So calculate this. So 1.4 times 3 divided by 2 equals 2.1 times 10 to the power 3 moles of carbon monoxide. This is the answer for this one. The next question. 2K2O potassium oxide decomposes to give 4 moles of potassium and 1 mole of oxygen. So check the equation is balanced, 4 potassium, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen. Now what amount of potassium is produced when 0.15 moles of potassium oxide decomposes? So given amount is 0.15 moles of potassium oxide and required what number of moles of potassium, and number of moles, N means number of moles of potassium. Okay, now next we'll write first the given amount. The given amount is 0.15. 0.15 moles of potassium oxide, K2O, times mole ratio. So the mole ratio is between potassium oxide and potassium. So we have to find number of moles of potassium. So we write potassium at the top. So 4 moles of potassium. They require 2 moles of K2O. So 2 moles of potassium oxide. So moles of potassium oxide unit cancel. Now we have 0.15 times 4 upon 2. So we calculate this. So 0.15 times 4 divided by 2. It comes to 0.3 moles of potassium. The moles of potassium. Okay. Next question. Propane C3H8 gas on combustion gives 3 moles of carbon monoxide and 4 moles of water. So this is balanced equation. So 3 carbon, 8 hydrogens, and 5 times 2, 10 oxygens. So 3 times 2, 6, plus 4, 10 oxygen. So first we have to check the equation should be balanced. Now question is what mass of oxygen is required to burn 8.8 kilograms of propane? So given is mass of propane 8.8 kilogram. If you convert into gram, multiply by 1000. So we get 8,800 grams of propane. And what we have to find, what mass of oxygen. So they are asking mass of oxygen. Here the mass is given. We have to convert into moles first. So grams of propane converts into moles of propane. So first we write the given amount 8,800 times 1 mole of propane. Molar mass is carbon 44 if you calculate. Molar mass of 3 carbons, so 3 times 12 plus 8 times 1. So this is molar mass, C3H8. There are 3 carbons and 8 hydrogens. Each carbon is 12. So 3 times 12 plus 8 times 1, it comes to 44 grams per mole. So now we write 1 mole, this is grams. So we write properly here. 8,800 grams of C3H8 times, convert into moles. So 1 mole C3H8 mass is how much? 44 grams. So 44 grams of C3H8. So we change into moles now. Okay, grams cancel. So this converted into moles times mole ratio. So mole ratio of propane and oxygen is 5 moles of oxygen. Then we need 1 mole of propane. So mass of oxygen they are asking. So on the top we write mass of oxygen, that is 5 moles of oxygen requires 1 mole of propane. This is a mole ratio. So 1 mole propane. So now we get answer in moles, but they're asking what mass of oxygen. So this moles of oxygen we change into gram. So we multiply it by, so 1 mole of oxygen equals to what? Mass is 16 plus 16, 32 grams. So times, we write 32 grams of oxygen equals to 1 mole of oxygen. Okay, now we cancel the units. So grams of propane cancels. Moles of propane cancels. Moles of oxygen cancels. So final answer we have whatever grams of oxygen. So we do the calculations now. So that is 8,800 times 5 times 32 upon 44 equals to times 5 times 32 divided by 44 equals 32,000 grams. Grams are equal to, if we divide by 1000, then you get 32 kilograms of what? Here, oxygen. So this is the answer. So grams you get, gram divided by 1000, you get into kilograms. Okay, next question. Predict what mass of CO2 will be produced. So given amount is 8.8 kilogram, that comes to 8,800 grams. And they're asking what mass of CO2 is produced. So we have to find mass of CO2. So mass of CO2 mole ratio is 3 moles of CO2, then 1 mole of propane. Okay, now we write given amount. So 8,800 grams of propane. These grams we have to convert into moles. So we multiply by 1 mole. Propane is 44 grams. Times mole ratio. So 3 moles of CO2. So we write here 3 moles of CO2 and 1 mole of propane. This is a mole ratio, C3H8. So now the answer we are getting moles of CO2. They are asking what mass of CO2. So moles again we convert into mass, multiply by, so CO2 molar mass is CO2 is 1 mole CO2 equals to molar mass of CO2 carbon plus 2 oxygen. So it comes to 12 plus 16 to the 32. It comes to 44 grams. So 44 gram, 1 mole CO2 is 44 grams of CO2. So this is moles. Already we have CO2 in moles. We want to convert into grams. So multiply by 1 mole equivalent to what? 44 grams of CO2. Now we cancel the units. Moles of propane cancel. Moles of propane cancel with moles of propane. Here grams of propane, moles of propane cancel with moles of propane, and 3 moles of CO2, cancel. So what unit is left? Grams of CO2. So now we do all the calculation. So 8,800 times 3 times 44 upon 44. This cancels, so you get 8,800 times 3 divided by 1000. We want to convert into, so you get 26. Rounded to 26 kilograms of carbon dioxide. So I hope now you understand how to solve this problem based on equation or stoichiometric questions. If you like this video, please like and share for more videos like this. Thank you.